Good morning, children. This is Rajni, English faculty of DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahimpatnam. Children, we had completed lesson 1, poem 1 and lesson 2. You had written very neatly, is it or not, children? Yes. So now write down lesson 3 also very neatly. Put heading lesson 3. Under that write down Raggedy Ann, Raggedy, Raggedy Ann, Ann, Raggedy Ann. Over. Now put heading under that new words. New words. First one barrel, BARREL, barrel. Second one bonnet, BONNET, bonnet. Third one leather, LEATHER, leather. Fourth one hugged, HUGGED, hugged. Fifth one attic, 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 attic. First one barrel, second one bonnet, third one leather, fourth one hugged, fifth one attic. Completed, no children, new words? Now write down meanings. Meanings. First one attic. All of you children write down. Fold the page and in that folding put is equal to. First one attic. Attic meaning is a storeroom. A storeroom. STORE, store. ROOM, room. A storeroom. Attic. A storeroom. Barrel. BARREL, barrel. Wooden box for storing things. Wooden box for storing things. WOODEN, wooden. BOX, box. For storing. STORING, storing. Things. THINGS, things. A wooden box for storing things. Barrel means wooden box for storing things. Third one bonnet. Child's cap. Bonnet means child's cap. Child's cap. Child after put an apostrophe and write down child's cap. Completed now 3 meanings. Now write down fourth one. Sew. Sew is equal to should be in the folding only, children. Stitch with needle and thread. Stitch, STITCH. Stitch with needle, NEEDLE, needle. And thread, THREAD, thread. Stitch with needle and thread. Sew, stitch with needle and thread. Rag, pieces of cloth. Rag, pieces of cloth. PIECES, pieces. PIECES, pieces of cloth. Rag, pieces of cloth. Sixth one, rag doll. Rag doll means a doll made of pieces of cloth. A doll made of pieces of cloth. Completed, no children? Now put heading questions and answers. Questions and answers. Questions look Q and answers also a capital letter. Here it is mistaken and write down questions and answers. First question, where did Marcella like to play? Where did Marcella like to play? Answer, Marcella liked to play in the attic at Grandma's old house. Marcella liked to play in the attic at Grandma's old house. Children, understanding no? Marcella liked to play in the attic at Grandma's old house. Children, remember, question after put a question mark and answer after put a full stop. Put a full stop. Second question, say, where did Marcella find the old doll? Where did Marcella find the old doll? Marcella found the old doll in an old barrel. Marcella found the old doll in an old barrel. Marcella found the old doll in an old barrel. Found, FOUND, found old doll in an old barrel. BARREL, barrel. Children, remember, question after put a question mark and answer after put full stop. or else it is wrong. Remember that, and you will lose marks in exams also. Marcella found the old doll in an old barrel. B-A-R-R-E-L, barrel. B-A-R-R-E-L, barrel. Now see third question. What did Marcella's grandmother do when she saw the doll? What did Marcella's grandmother do when she saw the doll? When Marcella's grandmother saw the doll, she sewed on a button. When Marcella's grandmother saw the doll, she sewed on a button. When Marcella's grandmother saw the doll, she sewed on a button. Okay, children? Now, button spelling B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Answer after, put a full stop. Completed, no, children? Question and answers? Very neatly you are writing, no? Now see the next one, opposites. Opposites. You are very interested, is it or not? Opposites are very easy to learn. Here opposites also in the folding put in twos. Even in the images I had sent, you just put in twos in an order. That means fold the page and put that in twos in an order. Okay, children? First one, forget. Forget. The opposite of forget is remember. F-O-R-G-E-T. Forget. Put into in the middle and write down. Opposite is remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Forget after put into and give finger gap and start remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. The second one, pull. P-U-L-L. Pull. Put into very neatly, just straight to the first into. And after completing into, write down push. Push also. The first one, remember, under that R only you should write P. Push. P-U-S-H. Push. Pull, push. Pull, push. Third one, happy. Third one, happy. Again, into should be in an order, children. First two, how you put that intos, in the same way it will be. And happy, into after give finger gap and write down sad. S-A-D, sad, comma, unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y, unhappy. Happy, sad, unhappy. Once again, see, children, forget, remember. Forget, remember. Pull, push. Pull, push. Happy, sad, unhappy. Happy, sad, unhappy. Completed, no, children? Opposites. Now put heading very neatly. Singular, plurals. Singular, plurals. First one, again these dashes also should be in an order. Already I am posting images also. See and write accordingly. Doll, dolls. Doll, dolls. Doll. One doll means we will call doll. More than one means we will call dolls. Doll, dolls. D-O-L-L-S, dolls. Second one, man. Plural is men. Man, men. One man means we will call man. More than one means we will call men. M-E-N, men. Man, sanamamma, you should tell men. Man, men. Third one, women. Women. For that, the plural form is women. Woman. Woman, women. Just like man, men, in the same way, women, woman, women. Woman, women. Fourth one, see, family. Family. Already I told in the last video, singular plurals grammar video, if a word ends with, if a noun ends with Y, we have to omit Y and should be added IES. In the grammar part, grammar book part, I told you, if a noun ends with Y, we should add IES. Families. Once again, children. Doll, dolls, man, men, woman, women, family, families. 4 completed. Now write down 5th one. Okay, children, 4 only. 4 singular plurals. All of you write very, very neatly. New words, meanings, question and answers, opposites, singular plurals. Write very neatly. Even I am posting images also. Write neatly in your CW. Thank you, children. All of you write in your CW as well as in HW. Thank you, children.